Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota 86 rear bumper. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You will need a 10mm socket wrench to handle the bolts, a flathead screwdriver for various clips, and a plastic trim removal tool. This specialized tool helps prevent scratches and damage to your paint and plastic components during the removal process. Having these items ready will make the job much smoother. Next, we'll begin by removing the visible fasteners. Start by carefully taking out the 3 plastic clips located in each rear wheel arch. Then, open your trunk and remove the 2 10mm bolts found inside, one on each side. Finally, get underneath the vehicle and remove the 6 plastic pop clips that secure the bumper to the undercarriage. These steps will loosen the main attachments. With the fasteners removed, it's time to detach the bumper cover. Carefully and gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the sides. Be mindful of any wiring connected to the reverse or fog lights. These need to be unplugged before the bumper can be fully separated. There are also hidden tabs and clips along the sides and under the trunk area that will release with a firm, steady pull. For the final step, it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you. They can help support the bumper as you fully detach it, preventing accidental drops or damage. Remember to tape off the adjacent body panels where the bumper meets the car. This simple step can save your paint from scratches. Once free, carefully set the bumper aside. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.